Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to use Brizy in order to create websites or landing pages basically on the WordPress platform for free. So in the previous lecture we have discussed about how we can create a new page and select our template, and now we are going to discuss about how to actually customize this template and which are the options that we have. So the cool thing about Brizy is that we have the option to absolutely customize everything in a template, and also the option to add new things and new elements. So for example, in the previous lectures we have seen that we have imported this layout that we can see right now on the screen, and if we want to customize this layout, it's very simple. Each of the elements have this option, okay, this small icon that you can see. This is for settings, and if we are going to click on this icon, we can see that we have different things, like we can duplicate this element, we have settings for this element, and you can see that we can work with the width of the whole block. Okay, then we can save it like it is. Okay, we can basically save it and use it in other let's say in other layouts as well. Basically this is a block from the layout, right? Then we have the colors. We can change the colors. Pretty cool, right? For example, we can go here. This is basically, you can see here, these are the colors of the block, right? We can go for the background. We can change the image of the background if we don't want the colors. Okay, which is pretty cool. And we can work with the header. Okay, we want the header to be static, fixed, sticky. Okay, we can make it a global header, or we can basically add this membership settings. Okay, so this is basically how we can customize a block. Now we can also customize each of the elements, right? For example, we select the button, and when we select the button as an element, we can see that we have different options. Okay, it will say what type of element this is. We click on the type of element button, and we can basically customize the element from here. Okay, for example, let's make the button large. Okay, as you can see, it has been made larger, right? We can change the color, obviously. We can make it red, we can make it yellow, we can basically change the link, and we have other settings for the button as well, like styling settings. And these are the styling settings. You can play around with them. And some advanced settings, okay, which obviously are more advanced. We can add animations, which are pretty cool, like bouncing, flashing. For example, let's say pulse animation, and let's make the duration 3.5 seconds. Okay, and let's leave the button like this for now, because I want to show you a preview after we customize the template. So basically this is how you do for each of the elements. Now for example, let's choose this text. Okay, if we double click on this element, we can see that it's a text element, typography. We can change the colors, basically all the things that we can modify for this type of element. So this is how you customize. Okay, but you can see that for each of these, let's say, blocks or sections, we have that small settings icon. Now another way or another option, okay, that we can use to customize the template or the layout, it's in the left side menu. If we go to reorder blocks, we can basically reorder the blocks. We can see here the header, and we can basically move the header, and we just drag and drop between them. Okay, pretty nice, pretty simple, that easy. And then we have the styling, which is pretty important, and we can see that the current style is agents, but we can change it. Okay, we have other styles as well. We can change the colors, we can change the paragraph, the subtitles, the above titles. Okay, and we can basically add new styling as well. If we click on the add new, we can add new stylings as well. Okay, And for example, if you want to change the current one with exquisite, okay, you can see that it has been changed a little bit. It looks a little bit different. Now let's click on overpass. For example, graceful. Okay, you can see that again it has been changed a little bit. So this is how you can customize the template. And then we have the mobile view, the page. Okay, for example, in the page section we can add how we want to see the page, and that's pretty much it. Okay, for customizing the layout or the blocks as a whole, right? Now what we want to do is click on the update button in the right low corner, and we want to click on the preview button, right? Let's see how the page looks like. And basically this is how the page looks like at this moment. You can see that this this button has a small animation in the beginning when the page loads, and if you scroll down we can see our page here. Pretty nice, pretty simple. Now let's go back. So this is how we can customize the layout as a whole or blocks of the layout. Okay, now thank you very much for watching. We are looking forward to see you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to use WordPress and Brizy to build landing pages and websites for free on the WordPress platform. So we wanted to show you in this lecture a few more places where you can actually find cool Brizy templates that you can use for free. So basically to the blocks that you already have in Brizy as templates and the layouts that you already have, you can use these templates for free. And we have a few website suggestions that we have found ourselves, which look pretty interesting and you can try yourself. Maybe you can find a template which can help you even more to design easier your landing page or your website. So the first place is wordpressastra.com. So wpastra.com, Brizy Templates free downloads. You can see the address here. And you can see we have 40 plus stunning Brizy page builder templates. Some are free, some are premium. Let's scroll down. And we can see that we can see here the templates. Okay, and you can check out each of these templates and see which of them are free and which of them are paid. For example, let's say this one about e-courses. We can just click on the link here. We will be redirected. Okay, looks pretty nice, right? Then another site. So basically let's go back. Okay, so the Astra, WordPress Astra. Okay, this is what you want for the free Brizy templates. Then another website is actually the website of Brizy, and in the website of Brizy you have a section which is theme partners. And if you are going to go in this section, theme partners, you can see that we have Bloxy, which is free download, Niv, which is free download, Translate Press, which is pretty interesting. Okay, you can build multilingual Brizy websites, free download, Astra, which you have already seen, Page Builder Framework, free download, Ocean WordPress, free download, Zeta, free download, Suki, free download. Okay, so you have this page as well. Then we have the ThemeGrill.com. Again, a few let's say options, actually 15 options of Brizy WordPress themes. And let's scroll down, and you can see we have Zakra, we have Astra, we have Color Mug. Okay, we have Spacious Flash. Anyway, we won't go through all of them. Some of them you might have seen before, but some of them are new ones. Okay, so this is another cool website where you can actually see these Brizy themes. And then we have the Zakra theme, 25 best WordPress themes and templates for Brizy Builder. And if you scroll down, we can see all of them. Okay, here listed Zakra because we are actually on their website. And then we have many others as well, some of them different than the ones that we have previously seen. So these are just a few of the places where you can find other Brizy templates for free. Obviously you can search more on Google. We just wanted to show you some examples. Okay, by using these themes, maybe you can make your life easier by creating the websites in Brizy easier. Maybe you find something which is a better fit for your offer, service, product or business. Thank you very much for watching.